the actual desert, the Sahara Desert.
Just want it, babe.
Crazy. Oh my days. Woo! Finally see the sand dunes.
And welcome in Sahara Desert.
What have you done, Jen?
What a place to wake up.
Crazy in the desert, Sahara Africa.
Today we have left Merzouga in Agdz to head for the desert, but this time the actual desert, the Sahara Desert. How sick is that? You excited, Nick? So yeah, we've left there, so we're literally traveling from one side of Morocco to the other side today. We're gonna see how far we get. It's like a sort of known thing that you're advised to not drive at night time here, so we're just gonna drive until it goes dark basically. We are heading to a place called Merzouga, so yeah, we'll see how far we get basically, because what we've actually been doing on this trip is when we've been doing journeys that are quite long, we'll put an end destination in the map and then drive until we don't want to drive no more basically. But we drove some pretty epic drives, haven't we, this last few weeks?
Yeah, it's
What's
crazy.
been your favourite drive, babe?
When we went to the gorges, beautiful.
Yeah, they were very, very, very cool. But I can see this overtaking it. We're heading up through the higher Agdz mountains now as well, so yeah, I'll show you our route on the way.
Just getting a glimpse of this now, we're ready to.
It's nuts. So, about half an hour ago, we passed 5 trucks that are obviously together. They must be uprooting from where they've been for a while and all moving along together. However, once we took over them, and it took a while, we ended up taking Luna for a wee, and now we've ended up back behind them again, doing how many miles an hour?
15.
15 miles an hour up the mountains, like, oh, shoot me.
It's a nightmare to overtake them all because they're all clumped together.
Yeah, leaving no gaps between.
So I can't even like weave in and out. So I've got to overtake them all in one stretch, which when you're on the wrong side of the bloody road and you can't even see what's coming,
Yeah.
it's not easy.
3 down, 2 to go, but I think there's actually a lorry in front as well. So 3 to go.
The thing is, you got to watch for the
Town.
police because the police are bloody everywhere. They
Little
hide in
speed
bushes.
traps.
They hide the cameras up the jumpers. Fucking nightmares, aren't they?
The cameras up the jumpers?
Yeah, like that. I do. And then they don't even wear police uniforms. They just sneak out and go.
Funny. The scenery though is starting to look fucking incredible, so going slow has its slight advantages. You get to take in all of this. Okay, we've got 1 more to go. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Actually more. There's more than 1 to go actually. There's 2 to go.
That was a f***ing stress, wasn't it, babe?
It was squeaky bum time.
You need to wipe my ass. Imagine doing that in the dark.
Yeah, no, I won't want to do that in the dark. There's a heck of a lot of broken roads as well, so when he's overtaking, it's like there's just no room. Crazy.
Like it's melted away at the sides.
It is like it's melted away. Oh my days, these trucks are never ending. There's another one. Oh my days.
So yeah, it's added an extra 2 hours onto our journey, all these.
These fucking trucks. Oh my word. Oh, he moved over for us. Last one. Woo woo! Open road now.
Oh, clear.
Just a quick pit stop first for some AdBlue. Concentrating face.
What? Poker face.
Yeah. Right, I'm not sure how well you can see me, but we've just managed to get to our campsite. It is, what time are we on? It's 8:15, so it's been dark for about an hour, so we've been driving about an hour in the dark. That wasn't our plan. We really don't like doing that, but to be fair, the roads weren't too bad. And we've just pulled up into what feels like, and what I think is a bit of an oasis. But there's all like fairy lights around the palm trees, so that'll be, well, it is, it's really pretty. I think we're going to get the chairs out and maybe have an hour under the stars tonight because, yeah, it's just perfect. I love this. Right, good morning. Look at me, fresh as a daisy. We obviously got to our camping grounds last night, which was absolutely beautiful. We saw a full-on blanket of stars last night. It was really, really beautiful. We're just before a town called Agdz on a place called, sorry, I'm just reading it, Camping Maison Tensift, which has actually been a really lovely overnight stay. We haven't really used the facilities, if I'm honest, because I know we're going to probably do a few more little campsites here and there whilst we're in the desert. But what a beautiful spot. Absolutely perfect. We're surrounded by beautiful mountain hilltops and gorgeous date palm. Oh no, I don't think they're date. Are they date palms?
Have a look, see if they're hanging off them.
No, I don't think they're the date palms. I don't know. Anyway, Nick, where are we heading today?
We're heading to Merzouga, is it?
Yeah, that's the one. Well done, darling.
Merzouga.
Merzouga.
When you're ready.
I have been getting the back of the van ready.
Oh, come on, you've made the bed and I helped you do it.
I made the bed, sorted out all the shit that goes on the bed.
2 pillows and a throw.
No, all the shit. Shall I take them in and show them?
All your shit off the side.
No, it's got your clothes in it as well.
Yeah, whatever.
And a lot of your shit.
Whatever. Hurry up, come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go.
No.
Running out of sun.
We're running out of sun. We're in the desert. Another day driving. Excuse the leads, I've got a few dangling all over. But we can finally see the sand dunes. They are literally just down the road and they look really, really quite majestic really in the sunlight, if I'm honest. But yeah, so excited. We are 19 minutes away from our park up. So yeah, I'm not sure how many more straight roads we can do today. What do you reckon, Nick? It's been very straightforward, right?
Straightforward, yeah.
Literally.
Yeah, it's been good.
I think we're in the desert, babe.
You think? Do you want me to put the window down and prove it?
Yeah. So you can see sand dunes pretty much like all the way around you. It's incredible, and this is the biggest main reason we wanted to travel to Morocco, was because we wanted to visit the Sahara Desert. Well, to now be here is pretty incredible. Once in a lifetime, bucket list. This is bucket list shit, this.
Yeah.
Isn't it? I think I'll end up getting bloody emotional when we get to these sand dunes, because it's just, they look so big, and yeah, like I said before, majestic. Like mountains, but they're not, it's just sand. It's crazy. So excited. Right, so we've been in contact with Jackie and Dale, who we met up with, if you remember, when we were inland on the Anti-Atlas Mountains. Anyway, they have found a spot and they said, all you need to do is go to a petrol station, look for a guy in a blue outfit with crazy hair. What else did they say?
And Donny Osmond smile.
Donny Osmond smile. We were like, just send us your pin and we'll just go to it. We don't need to find him. And literally, to our surprise, we just drove past the petrol station in question and I went, oh my god, blue outfit, crazy hair, that is definitely him. And all of a sudden we've just had a 4x4 take over us and say, follow me, and it's got him in it. You couldn't write it, could you?
Things to do for business here, eh?
I know.
The thing is, he doesn't know that we're already going to where he's taking us.
I know. We're already doing it, mate. Bring it on. Desert. I ain't checking it off yet because I ain't stood on it. Well, this is a bit fun, isn't it? Following someone that you don't even know with crazy hair and a Donny Osmond smile. Wow, this is cool. Look at you stood on a sand dune.
Oh, look at that one!
Wow.
200 metres, we are doing it.
I think someone's happy to see you. Oh, Jesus. Luna, you absolute nutter.
And welcome in Sahara Desert.
Thank you. Wow. And we can have a fire here.
Yes.
Sounds good. Oh, look at them. Bonjour. This way. Come on. Come on.
What have you done, Jen?
I've lost
What have you done?
a flip-flop.
You've lost a flip-flop.
I've only got one pair of flip-flops.
Have you?
Have you nicked them?
No.
Honestly, they're not here.
Jackie's doing what she's good at doing.
Oh. You little shit.
What's that? What's that?
She's got me flip-flop.
Tom's, it's not on the floor. It's up.
Up is good, okay.
Up is good.
What do you want to do? Okay.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you. So it was time to set up camp and get ready for the evening. Is it a bit hard, that, Nick? Well done.
Burn it, Dale. One job he had. One job.
That's better.
One job.
I did it! I did it! Stop moving it!
Put it on top of it.
He just stood there again.
It looks so pretty, doesn't it? Man, make fire.
You'll laugh though when it goes through.
You read?
Oh my god. You're getting tired, Nick. I can tell.
You both filming.
There's a bit there. That's a good bit for
There you go.
Have you seen Dale throwing instructions out?
What are you going to do now?
Give us like a masculine pose or something.
Oh, fell on the floor. Come on, teamwork now.
Your feet on them, mate.
Right, good morning from a super duper bedheady Jenny. What a place to wake up. We are in complete awe of this place. It is beautiful. And I think it's a winner for Luna as well. Check it out. Wow. Lulu. So we're just waiting for a lift into town because we've been very lazy this morning. But Nick's just spoken to Mubarak, I think he's called.
As you drink a lot of vodka and you go crazy in the desert, Sahara, Africa. Alibaba, 3 ladies, back and south.
The guy who owns the campsite to see about some sandboards, snowboards. They're snowboards, but we're to use them in the sand. So watch this space. We might have a really funny video going up.
Break a leg. Maybe not that one.
No, 13's a good number.
Is it?
Yeah. Change your mindset on it.
Yeah.
Here's Ali.
Hi.
You got Nick.
Berber omelette. Oh, nice.
Good. Jenny's gone for chicken and chips. Woo! Yeah, boy. Love that. We spend more time in the Sahara Desert.
And finally, Andy and Lindsay catch up to us.
We get our adrenaline on again.
But this time, we have our own quads.
Thought they were called ATVs.
We explore the town of Merzouga.
And I get to experience the most painful 2 hours of my life.
You're not wrong there, Jenny.
Hope to see you on the road somewhere, because as ever, we are
Only half the world away.
keep dreaming big, being kind, and make every single moment count. What we... It's not fun, is it?
No.
No, it's not. Isn't it hard to walk on? You're not allowed to look at the camera.
Sorry.
I'm only joking. You're really good at all that shit talking, you know.